My name is Martin Bone, and I am a meditation teacher and a lifestyle tactician with over 20 years of service coaching people from the world of sport and leisure to a new holistic paradigm of embodiment, meditation and personal development. After all this time coaching and teaching people within my ecosystem of self-mastery, I've come to the realization that people are longing to belong. There is a thirst for connection, authentic and effortless connection. The formula for such inspired togetherness and joy seems to be in the containers of nature, meditation, breathwork, group gatherings and adventure. These cornerstones remind us of our own magic so we can embody this abundant and empowering vibration individually and collectively. Therefore, I'm leading a gathering of like-minded souls to form an exclusive community, one where we can come together regularly for continual expansion. I've witnessed how lives dramatically change for the best when we support one another in conscious practices. It's time to come together for inspired growth and soulful connections. I hope you can join our conscious common unity today. Welcome to the Alliance.